Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is advertisers.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can research something about this website. So according to HREF the domain rating is 52 and according to Moj they don't have enough data about the site, so you guys will check while using extension. So let me extension what the fuck this update. Okay, so now we can start and also we can check this website traffic and another things. So what, they don't have traffic? I guess these sites don't have enough data about this site because this site is a very old site. DA check with this. So most domain authority is 13 and the same race authority score is 5, total backlink 8 million. So this data is not comparable. I don't know why this is a data spam score is 44%. So you guys will check yourself if you guys are comfortable to creating your business listing on this site. So this is a very best for you. And if and also I can indicate you guys in this website in the free option you guys cannot include your website URL, but you guys will create your business listing backlink. So that would be the great branding on this through this website. Okay, so I guess for according to my suggestion you guys will create your business listing on this site. Okay, so now we can start. Simply first thing you can click on the add a listing button and you guys will create your profile first. So James Bolden and there we can, you guys will choose your password and after that you can select any of option. You can acknowledge the terms and condition, then you can click on the register button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So once you guys will complete these things, so after that you can select a free plan option, cross this advertise, and now the time is to you guys will start creating your business listing. So this is your listing dashboard. So first thing you can select your category. So our category is recruitment, so that could be something harder to found. Software SaaS as a service, so we are providing this, and in the title you guys will use very strategically your company name. So suppose that my company name is Jobma, and the what I can include in the title as well. Jobma, hire faster and better with AI, virtual interviewing soft platform, best a virtual interviewing platform, Jobma video interviewing software, best. What I can connect the dots. So first I can use Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform, streamline hiring globally. That would be the great fit for the title, and there you can include a short description. So short description should be for me, um, interview better and faster with AI. Okay, And the next I can add job map video interviewing software arguments, human decision making in hiring. And in the description there you can add your actual description. So we have generated already, so let me use this. Oh, that's look not nice. So what I can do, I can use only first one. And if you do not want to include your profile in the listing, so you can check this no option, and you can select the features. So military discounts available, yeah, senior citizens discounts available, student discounts available, yeah, okay. In the organization there you can put your company name, and after that you can select your address. So our company is based on United States, so okay. And in the state you can select, so our state is Minnesota. Minnesota, okay. And in the address we can add our address, then we can select our city. It is Mintonka, MINN8 Mintonka Mills Beach, yeah. So found it, Mintonka, I can select this. Postal code is 5505. And there you can add your Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. There you can include your business phone number, and in this section there you can include your business email. Sales ad, also let me confirm which email we are using. Sales at jobma.com, yeah, sales at jobma.com. And in the social network links there you can mandatory to, you guys will put your web company social channels URL. So jobma interview, jobma x jobma interview, and this is, after that you can click on the submit listing, and your listing is successfully submitted now. Thank you for the running your listing. And after that you can click on the my account, and click on the listings, and you will see this is your listing. If you want some modification, so you can click on the pencil icon, then you can do the modification. After that you can click on this link, and you will see this is your business listing landing page URL. This is the title: Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform, streamline hiring globally. And you will see company name. This is our social channels, what I have added. Yeah, perfect, everything is works smoothly. Searching, I guess Twitter is, in the Twitter there is something wrong. And we have added a description. Short description is not visible, I guess. So overall this is the process of the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.